Good morning, sir. My name is Marfua. I'm 42 years old. I was born Cirebon 17 March 1983. I come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. I'm Muslim. I'm married. I have 3 sons. My last education junior high school. My weight 62 kg. My height 158 cm. I have experienced job in Singapore 9 years, from 2015 until 2024. My job is cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and take care elderly. I can cook Indonesian food, for example, fried egg, fried chicken, and chicken soup. I can cook Chinese food, steamed fish, fried vegetable, and chicken soup. I can handle pork, but I cannot eat pork because I'm Muslim. I can take care baby, children, and elderly. I can wash the car. I can wash the clothes by hand. I want to go Hong Kong because I need money to help my family. My contract in Hong Kong 2 years. I promise to be hard work, to be honest, obedient to my employer. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. See you in Hong Kong.